Pretas are truly pitiful. What is especially unbearable is that, regardless of whether they died from illness, were killed by sharp weapons, or committed suicide by hanging, they must relive the pain of dying in that same way once every 7 days. Unnatural deaths, such as suicide, are quite inauspicious. However, many worldly choose to take their own lives, which is extremely unwise. The 400 Stanzas on the middle way says, one sees that some who are overwhelmed by suffering long for death, yet entirely due to their confusion. They will not reach the excellent state. Some people are so overwhelmed by suffering that they commit suicide, hoping to escape it. They end their lives out of ignorance, which prevents them from embarking on the path to liberation. According to Schopenhauer, when a man's fear of life exceeds his fear of death, he will choose suicide. From a Buddhist perspective, committing suicide does not eliminate suffering. Rather, it results in being reborn as a preta, who then experiences the agony of suicide repeatedly. Instead of achieving a rebirth in a higher realm, individuals who take their own lives will continue to descend into even lower realms. Therefore, suicide is regarded as an extremely ignorant act.